What are the official languages of Brunei?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we will be discussing the official languages of Brunei. Brunei is a small country located on the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. So, without further ado, let's dive right in.
What are the official languages of Brunei?
Brunei has two official languages, and they are Malay and English. Malay, also known as Bahasa Melayu, is the national language of Brunei. It is widely spoken by the majority of the population and is used for official purposes, such as in government, education, and media. English, on the other hand, serves as a second language and is widely used in business, administration, and education.
The significance of Malay as the national language.
Malay holds great significance in Brunei as the national language. It reflects the country's cultural heritage and plays a crucial role in promoting national identity and unity among the diverse communities in Brunei. Malay is also an essential part of Brunei's education system, and it is taught in schools across the country.
English as a second language.
English is widely spoken and understood in Brunei due to its historical ties with the British Empire. It is taught in schools from an early age and is used in various official and professional settings. English proficiency is valued, and many Bruneians are fluent in the language. This proficiency in English facilitates communication with the global community and supports Brunei's international relations. To summarize, the official languages of Brunei are Malay and English. Malay serves as the national language, promoting cultural heritage and national unity, while English plays a significant role as a second language for communication and international relations. The bilingualism in Brunei reflects the country's commitment to embracing both its local identity and global connections. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you next time.